Look no further than the 2021 Dodge Charger. The Charger's advanced design lets you tap into seriously savage performance when you want it and save fuel when you don't. With 4 doors, it's a family-friendly muscle car that's surprisingly versatile. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the power of muscle car heritage at the wheel of the Charger. Road test it today.